Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can log into your StarHub's account. To log into your StarHub account, firstly open your Google search. Type in StarHub login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the page. Scroll all the way down and click on Login to my account with Hub ID. It will take you to the login page of StarHub's account. Enter your Hub ID as well as password associated with your Hub account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not, and then click on Login. You can also tap on Remember Me if you want your ID and password to be remembered next time. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your StarHub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.